Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change user roles on Monday.com. So if you're administrator or owner of a Monday.com account and you have members there, you can easily change their role by following these steps. Click your account on the upper right hand side and go to administration. On the left hand side, just go ahead and expand directory and you will find users. So if you click in that, no, I currently have just one members, but if you have a whole lot of users here or members here, you can easily change their role by clicking on the user role. It's going to allow you to click a drop down right here and you can just change their role easily. But as I said, this is a admin account and I'm the only user right here. You're not able to change admin role on this. So if you have someone there that you can add, you can always change their role as well, and you can always change the roles of anyone that is in monday.com as an admin. And that's pretty much easy, guys. That's how you go ahead and you'll be able to change the roles of users on monday.com.